How to add Snapchat friends you accidentally removed. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to add Snapchat friends you accidentally removed. So let's begin. The very first option that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done that, simply open Snapchat, and then the only ways that I can give to add someone that you have accidentally removed is by going to this plus button right here and then look for their name right here. So since Snapchat still doesn't have an option in which you may be able to see your removed friends, what you're going to do is to manually search for their name right here. However, if you can still remember their name or their username, you may type it right here. Or also, if you think that that person is on your contacts, simply click on all contacts right here, and then you may be able to search their name. And then the last resort, for example, that you cannot see their name really right here, you may ask for another friend, for example, which is also a friend of that user. So you may ask for their snap code or to their username and then type in their name right here and add them once again. So that's it. That's how you can add Snapchat friends you accidentally remove. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.